OPPO Reno 13 series launch date officially confirmed for November 25 in China. OPPO's upcoming launch event will also showcase multiple products, including the Pad 3 tablet and the Inco Re Pro WS. The lineup will likely include a base OPPO Reno 13 and an OPPO Reno 13 Pro variant. The first leaked image of the OPPO Reno 13 reveals an iPhone-inspired design with a metal middle frame, flagship cold carved glass, and a mid-range price. Side-by-side comparisons show similarities with the iPhone 15. Hands-on images of the OPPO Reno 13 Pro reveal it is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, equipped with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, running on Android 15 and ColorOS 15. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro features a 6.78-inch quad-curved OLED display with a 1.5000 resolution, potentially protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Its camera setup is expected to include a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto or periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel front camera. The Reno 13 Pro is tipped to support 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, with a 5,900 mAh battery. It may also feature an IP6869 dust and water resistance rating. A new report suggests the Reno 13 series will launch in India in January 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.